already started and it's looking so beautiful. Just look at this view. Oh my god. It's mountains, mountains and mountains everywhere.
How come the stars come to shine when it's dark from so far away and show us where we are? What makes the sun go to sleep every night and what's it dreaming of? I wonder. How come the sky sometimes hides behind the clouds? Maybe it's just like me, a little bit scared of heights. Why does the rain?
Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So day 2 has started and we are back to the airport. Not because of we are going back, because we have to rent a car and airport के opposite ही यहाँ पे बहुत सारे options है. I'll show you inside. There are so many inside options that you can rent a car here in Calgary, because obviously we left Calgary, we left our Airbnb and everything. We are going to our next location. So the thing is we have to rent a car. For that, let me show you inside what all options. Imran, is it done?
Yeah, almost done.
What is this?
This is a map table.
Oh,
The maps of Canbo.
because internet वहाँ पे बीच में नहीं चलता, that's why?
नहीं चलता है, like, but kind
Safe
of,
side.
Yeah, safe side.
Okay.
We are going here, right? It's
We are going
complete.
Canmore and next location is Banff.
So
What
take
is this? Okay.
Then you're okay.
And our car rental is from Alamore.
Yeah.
नहीं, Alamore नहीं है. What is it? Alamore. So we are done with the things. Now we are going to pick the car. And हमारा वाला option is we have to pick left.
No, right.
Oh yeah. Let's see what's in our luck today, because this is like they gonna give us the car options. This is one option we got finalized. Imran, are you okay with this? We have the truck options as well, but Imran wants to safe drive. That's the reason we are finalizing this. Otherwise, इनके पास Mustang भी option है. They have a lot of options. So Imran wants a little safer drive. So that's why we are taking this. Imran, what's the name of the car?
Venue.
What? Venue, whatever it is. इमरान को बहुत ही ज़्यादा मतलब सेफ ड्राइव करना है, and it's our first time traveling to Banff, so we don't want to take a chance. Otherwise मेरा तो बहुत मन था कि हम कोई और कार ले, like, you know, there's that blue Mustang also. But Imran is Imran, so we can say nothing. So we got this rental information. Welcome to the city of Calgary, Alberta, a home of the Rocky Mountains. Thank you for renting, and these are the conditions. So all set to go. So we are all set to go, and Imran is driving on Calgary roads. Imran, how are you feeling?
I'm good, sir.
This car is little different from our usual car because ये थोड़ी सी uplifted है. So little difference in that. But Imran को बहुत ज़्यादा मैंने force किया to take a Mustang, but he was not interested. Not interested. He wanted to drive safe. That's the only thing. अगर 1-2 दिन की बात होती, then it could be better. We could have taken, but it's like more than 6 days. We have to take this car, so.
But that is a big car, right?
Yeah, it's huge. It looks like a mini aeroplane types. Anyway, so we are going for our breakfast because I'm super duper hungry. So which place we want to go? And we have to do a quick grocery also, because ऐसे बोलते हैं कि Canmore, Banff and all that में ना,
They don't have a Walmart.
they don't have Walmarts, and you know, so we wanted to be little you know, secure. पानी वगैरह हम लोग पहले से ही लेके चलेंगे. So first stop will be Tim Hortons and second will be Walmart. Searching for some instant coffee. I have this cappuccino and I have the gold and the vanilla latte, and we have the iced mocha. This is also one of the options, but I think we'll go with the hot one, Imran. Let's go with cappuccino. Cappuccino is good, right? So guys, we have taken all our basic things from Walmart. Like, these are the things which are very like you know basic pani and all that, because certain people say that वहाँ पे नहीं मिलता like you know the things that you want. So we are going to Canmore. Our first stop is Canmore, जहाँ पे हम stay कर रहे हैं, because you know our trip was like kind of last moment thing, so we have no hotels bookings and all that, and hotels are super expensive. That's why we are going with the Airbnbs throughout the trip. Now obviously Airbnb भी कुछ ऐसे cheap तो है नहीं, they are also very expensive, but
it's expensive in Canmore.
it's yeah, and Bath though is next level expensive. That's why we are staying in Canmore, which is like 10 minutes
15 minutes.
10 to 15 minutes from Canmore to Bath, so it's fine, like you know we can have our drive also. So let's go how the road trip is, and I'll show you also like from the back camera how the entire road looks like from Calgary to Bath. First Canmore and then Bath. So the mountains have already started and it's looking so beautiful. Just look at this view. Oh my god. It's mountains, mountains and mountains everywhere. So we have finally reached Canmore, and this is how Canmore looks like. It's full of mountains and resorts and Airbnbs, and it looks so amazing. And mountains के बीच में है ये बिल्कुल. So this is our Airbnb, and then Skyline Peaks. It's kind of a condo Airbnbs, and हमारा number is, there are a lot of number different buildings. And Imran, which one is our number? 109, right? Oh yeah, that one is 109. Can you imagine? We were just opening a wrong 109 number. Imran, वो wrong 109 है. अब next कहाँ से बोल रहा हूँ? Oh, so we are just now from the back of the building. वो वाला 109 किसी और.
This is the front.
Oh, this is the front. That was the back. So now we are searching for our unit, which is 109. The building looks like this, like the whole Airbnb. This is like a condo Airbnb concept, and this is just in front of the beautiful mountains over here. We got it? Oh, finally after 500 years, we got our 109 Airbnb condo. So this is the front door, and हम लोग बिल्कुल सड़क के पास ही है. What's the number? Open it. I hope the Airbnb is good. Fingers crossed. I was not able to show you the earlier Airbnb. Let me show you from the back camera. Oh my god. We have a laundry also in Sweet Laundry. Imran, यहाँ पे तो पूरा kitchen setup है. Can you open the lights? Oh my god. This is amazing. What is this? Go to the woods. Live a quiet life. I just love it. छोटा सा यहाँ पे dining table types भी है. Imran, this is amazing Airbnb. And they have the whole kitchen set up. Oh wow. We can cook also, Imran, यहाँ पे. And we have the whole knife set up. Oh, this is cute, but right? They have given us every damn thing. Like whatever we need. Nice. I just loved this Airbnb. And that is what our view looks like. Oh my god, this is all mountains. Amazing. Imran, ये वाला Airbnb अच्छा है. I just love the place. So this is the main route, and that's the mountain.
There's a Rocky Mountain.
And what is from here? Imran, ये क्या होगा यहाँ पे? Please do not enter. It's the utility room. All right. What is this? Do not enter. Utility room. यहाँ पे I think it's for bags and all, and that's the whole washroom. It's good. I just love this Airbnb a lot. So it's a good thing. And यहाँ पे इन्होंने bath का भी ये दिया हुआ है, right? It's good. So guys, there's a quick change in the plan since it's 1 p.m. So we decided to explore Canmore today, and so that हम BAF ना मतलब पूरा early morning जाना चाहते हैं, so that we can explore good options. And also long weekend is there. It's gonna end today, so people are coming back. So it's gonna be too crowded today. That's what we got to know from the locals here in Canmore. So we decided to explore Canmore today, and this beautiful property, I just loved it. मुझे ऐसे लग रहा है कि जैसे मतलब this should be my home. Like, you know, the vibe here is really amazing, and we are just straight in front of the mountains. That's the most amazing thing. So let's explore Canmore today, not BAF. BAF will be for tomorrow. Hi guys, I'm back again. I just changed my clothes just to be, you know, comfortable. So we are finally making Pahadu wali Maggi nahi, Pahadu wala Korean ramen. We couldn't make it for Maggi, but we can make it for alternatives, right? Because Calgary mein yahan pe Maggi milna is next to impossible thing. So let's just make this thing. I am trying this thing, like, you know, after straight 4 years. I had once tried this with my brother back in Kashmir. बहुत ज़्यादा हमारे धुएं उड़े थे ये खा के. I don't know, I wanted to have the pink वाला flavor. That is still better. But Imran wanted this. So let's see how it goes, and let's make Maggi together here in Calgary. So let's get the pan first. I don't know pan कहाँ पे है. I hope the pan is there. Otherwise the plan is flopped. Oh, I got it here. So finally guys, enjoying the delicious alternative Maggi with the mountains. Finally guys, I'm having the Maggi in front of the mountains. Oh my god, not the Maggi. That's okay. Kind of Maggi. So let's have the first bite. It's very hot. बहुत tasty है, and I'm enjoying the view right in front of me. ऐसे लग रहा है इमरान, we are going into that big mountain. Canmore is also very beautiful, है ना?
Rocky Mountains.
My god, we spotted deer.
I don't know, this is a deer.
Deer ही लग रहा है मुझे तो.
No,
Then what?
I don't have idea कि है क्या.
मुझे तो deer ही लग रहे हैं. Deer ही है इमरान.
No idea.
Family of deers enjoying in Canmore. Oh my god, look at the road here. It looks like we are going खतरों के खिलाड़ी में. But I think something is amazing that is after 5 minutes of drive. Let's wait for the adventure गाड़ी तो ऐसे हिल रही है जैसे खतरों के खिलाड़ी में. But we have to come back soon because I don't want to come अभी dark में. So we have kind of reached the top of a mountain, like middle of a mountain.
So if you go off-roading.
This is off-roading and road बहुत ही ज़्यादा dangerous है और deers are crossing the roads, and we are super duper excited to see what's the final location after 2 minutes, because we don't know why we are going there. We know why we are going there, but I don't know like what's the actual.
This guy is cycling.
One guy is cycling. Oh my god, let me show you. Confidence level Pro Max. Oh my god, we are in the middle. Oh my god. Oh shit, man. Imran.
Now we have a lake. This is a lake.
We are at the top point of something. People are coming and we are the only people going. I don't know what's there. 1 minute to go.
This is the White Man's Pond.
White Man's Pond. That's the Whiteman spawn. And you can see the mountains here. The view is breathtaking view. Look at that. I think that's the Whiteman spawn, hai na?
Yeah.
Are you guys ready to see the breathtaking first lake view here? Let's see it together. So, can you guys imagine, like, I am in the middle of mountains and there's a turquoise lake that I am here right now. I'm so grateful and thankful. I cannot say this is the best lake because abhi kal hame Banff bhi jana hai. But just look at this. Oh my god, this is amazing.
See the color?
It's turquoise, hai na? And that mountain, can you see the top of that mountain?
That's a rocky
I'm just in love with this place and I just want to be here, and this is so peaceful. मुझे लगता है यहाँ पे ज़्यादा लोग आते नहीं है because mostly people go to Banff.
Yeah.
Canmore में कुछ कम लोग रहते हैं.
This
Just
is a
look at
hidden
my
gem,
hair
Papa.
because it's
This is a
very
hidden gem
windy.
of Canberra, you know?
Just ignore my messy hair, please.
This is
Just
hidden gem.
enjoy the view. Oh my god, this is amazing.
How do I touch you? How do I reach you? Tell me stories, mighty lights I believe.
Okay, now we are entering the railway bridge. Let's see how the railway bridge is.
This is Canmore Indian Bridge.
Oh, it's good. Let me show you from the back camera. Basically, that's more adventurous. That's the railway bridge and that's the river flowing.
Canmore
Oh,
is
it's
very
good.
beautiful, right?
It's very beautiful. Yeah.
We have a small
Wow, that's nice. We can go there in the middle also.
How do I touch you? How do I reach you? Tell me stories, mighty lights I believe.
So guys, can you see the three mountains together? It's called as the Three Sister Mountains because they are all together. So that's why it's called as Three Sisters Mountains. That's why the lane and everything is called as Three Sisters Lanes. So guys, I'm ending this vlog at the Three Sister Mountain. इसमें कोई gap नहीं है. That's why maybe it's linked to each other. That's why it's called as a Three Sister Mountain. So we are now going back to our place because it's a little windy and chilled. And if you do like this video, please like the video and subscribe to my channel below. And the final destination, it's going to be tomorrow. So stay tuned for the vlogs because tomorrow I am going to reach my final destination. Bye bye. See you. You know what I was saying, my husband? I hope our gondola will not, fall in the middle of mountains.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Oh, it's nice.
This is nice.
Beautiful. Wow. It's amazing.
I'm trying to take some
मुझे डर लग रहा है लेकिन